DJI Mavic Pro Fly More Combo with DJI Goggles Headset FPV Glasses. The DJI Goggles are designed for first-person viewing FPV applications using compatible DJI products. By receiving the video downlink from the wireless transmitter on your DJI aircraft, the goggles facilitate a truly immersive flying experience. The goggles feature dual 5 screens. Each screen boasts a 1080p resolution with an 85 degrees field of view. Both 720p 60 and 1080p 30 video viewing are available, depending on transmission distance, with a low latency rate of only 110 ms. The goggle supports DJI's intelligent flight modes, including terrain follow, ActiveTrack, TapFly, cinematic mode, tripod mode, and fixed wing mode. You can access key intelligent features through the integrated touchpad, such as focus adjustment. This kit includes 1 DJI Mavic Pro collapsible quadcopter aircraft, 1 DJI Mavic remote controller, 1 DJI Goggles FPV headset, 1 charger, 1 headband, 1 wire clip, 1 cleaning cloth, 1 micro USB cable, 1 HDMI cable, 3 Mavic Pro intelligent flight battery, 5-part 22 8330 quick release folding propeller sets, 2 propellers in each set, 1 DJI Mavic sleeve, soft bag, 1 gimbal clamp, 1 battery charger, 1 DJI Mavic car charger, 1 DJI Mavic shoulder bag, 1 DJI Mavic power bank adapter, 1 DJI Mavic Pro charging hub, 1 battery charger power cable, 1 SanDisk 32GB ultra micro SD memory card, 1 to 16GB micro SD card, 1 micro USB cable, 1 RC lightning cable, 1 RC micro USB cable, 2 RC cable slider, 1 Mavic Pro quick start guide, 1 Mavic Pro disclaimer and safety guidelines, 1 Mavic Pro intelligent flight battery safety guidelines, 1 Digitalusa stylus pen, 1 cleaning kit, 1 Digitalusa microfiber cleaning cloth. For more info and special discounts, please click on the link below.